Hello, welcome. I am so glad you made it here today. This is a short presentation here, which I'm going to give you in this video, which is going to give you an outline of what you're going to expect in this modular. This is a put together system that is really beneficial for you and everything you want to do in your business, in your lifestyle, and whatever you're wanting to create, because it all starts with your goals, with your desires, and what you are choosing to create. If you do not have a structure of your goals and what you actually want to create in your lifestyle, then you're not going to get very far. And in this next modular, you're going to see some breakdowns of different ways to help you, different steps, different systems, different 1, 2, 3s, making it as simple and easy as possible to get you on the next level. Because there's no reason for anyone to be stuck there, struggling, and not being able to get where you want to go when it's all right here for you today. In these modulars, and there's so much more coming, there is so much value and so much put together for you to be able to access it all. It is amazing. I know it is just crazy amazing that this is here for you today, now. Why not take advantage of it and get going? So take a look at what we are going on here. And like I said, there is so much more. This is just the beginning. These modulars here are just the beginning of what you're going to learn in this platform. There is a lot here to learn, and all you have to do is take yourself out of your comfort zone and start learning and start implementing everything you need. And you know, the great thing about it is there's help here for you every step of the way. All you have to do is reach out and say, hey, I'm stuck. I need some help. Because you know what? We all are where we are, and no one's behind, and you're going as fast as you can for a reason, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, you are an amazing person. You are a beautiful person who is learning and growing and being successful in everything you do. There's no reason why you can't take the steps now to start with your goals and start learning how to create them, how to get them in order, and how to grow yourself, your lifestyle, your business, and everything that you have that is going to be affecting you and your family. So come on, join me here and go on to the next modular. And there's some bonuses here, so be sure you take a look at those too. And this is just one modular of many. So be on the lookout, guys. Here it comes. I look forward to seeing you on modular number 2.